I'm Paul Tapier again with Auto Parts Warehouse at SEMA 2017 with Jackie from Mile Marker. And most people know your existing products as being indestructible, and you've got something really incredible in a brand new product that's debuting here at SEMA that we'd love to have you tell us about.
Absolutely. This is going to be our new series for 2018. It's a completely sealed unit, IP68 certified, and it's got 19 double seals throughout. The solenoid is actually incorporated inside, so you don't have that bulkiness, on top of the tie bars or having to fit it anywhere. It's a completely sealed unit, IP68 certified, completely waterproof, mudproof, and snowproof. We're also including our shackle here, which is integrated and held on by your shackle right there. It'll be sold separately, but with this series here, starting at like an 8,000 pound, a 10,000, a 12, and a 15 to cover all your needs from a Jeep all the way up to your Ford Super Duties.
So really, it's like a Terminator. It's indestructible like me. Come with me if you want to winch. I know, I had to go there,
Yeah, it's okay.
It is indestructible, though. Just one of the many Mile Marker products you can find on autopartswarehouse.com. For SEMA, I'm Paul Tapier. See, I get confused who I am now.
That's all right.
All right, here we go. I'll be back.